The dandelion. To most gardeners, it's a stubborn weed. To children, it's a magical clock to be blown away in the wind. But to those who know its secrets, it is one of the most resilient and beneficial plants on our planet. Today, we rediscover this golden son of the meadows. Here are 10 fascinating facts you probably didn't know about. The dandelion. Number 1. A name of lions. The word dandelion comes from the French Dandelion, meaning lion's tooth. Look closely at its jagged leaves. They were named for their resemblance to the fierce teeth of a lion. Number 2. The bee's first feast. Dandelions are among the most important early spring flowers for pollinators. They provide a critical source of pollen and nectar when almost nothing else is blooming, making them vital for the survival of honeybees. Number 3. A botanical masterpiece. Every part of the dandelion is useful, from the roots used for coffee substitutes to the flowers used for wine and the leaves for salads. It is entirely edible and incredibly nutritious. Number 4. More vitamin A than spinach. We often praise spinach, but dandelions are the true champions. Weight for weight, dandelion greens contain more vitamin A and significantly more calcium and iron than almost any cultivated leafy green. Number 5. The survivalist's clock. Dandelions are highly sensitive to light. They open their petals at sunrise to welcome the bees, and close them tightly at sunset or before a storm, acting as a natural weather forecaster. Number 6. Roots of steel. A dandelion root can grow up to 15 feet deep into the earth. This allows the plant to reach water during droughts and brings minerals from deep underground up to the surface, enriching the soil for other plants. Number 7. The ancient healer. Its scientific name, Taraxacum officinale, literally means the official remedy for disorders. For centuries, it has been used in traditional medicine to support liver health and aid digestion. Number 8. Natural rubber. Inside the stem is a milky white sap called latex. During World War II, a specific species of dandelion was used to produce high-quality rubber for tires, a secret technology that is being rediscovered by scientists today. Number 9. The ultimate voyager. Each dandelion seed head can contain up to 200 seeds. These tiny parachutes can travel over 50 miles from their home, carrying the next generation to new lands with the slightest breeze. Number 10. A symbol of resilience. Dandelions can grow through cracks in concrete and survive being stepped on repeatedly. They represent the ability to thrive in harsh conditions, reminding us that beauty can be found in the most unexpected places. Next time you see a dandelion, will you see a weed or a wonder? If you enjoyed these nature secrets, don't forget to like and subscribe to Top 10 Hidden Files. Until next time, stay connected to the wild.